Next up, we're going to go through some of the menu options. So let's power the machine up first. Then we can turn the radio off. Then menu button for 5 seconds. And that'll put you into the service menu. Now we can go into diagnostics. Then you want to see engine. We have all the different data points. Input controls. Here's the app going up to 100%. Coolant level switch is off. Engine cool temp is currently 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Engine oil pressure 0. No water and fuel detected. Fuel lift pump driver on. Fuel pressure 5.2 psi. Fuel temperature. Rail pressure. Engine speed. Manifold air temperature. Manifold air pressure. Fan speed. Exhaust manifold pressure. Air inlet temp. Catalytic outlet temp. Exhaust temperature. Start aid delay. Start relay driver. Flex power percentage. Fuel rate. ECU electrical power. Throttle position. I'm pretty sure we've looped back around. Yeah, we have. Next up we'll go into electrical. Go through battery, switched VCU valve power, VCU to electric power, alternator state's currently off, accessory relays 0.15 amps, it's on, washer switch is off. As you can see, if I go and push in the washer, it'll display that it's on, and then we have to listen to this bad wiper blade make terrible noises. That's better. Front washer is the amperage, so as I push it in, you see the amperage comes up. Front wiper switch, front wiper low, front wiper high, rear wiper, wiper park switches, VCU electrical power, VCU valve power, VCU 2, yeah, we looped back around again. Next up, in the same submenus, transmission. It'll show us what gear we're in. So I switch hands real quick. You can see if I bring it to forward, I've got 1 forward. I can switch to 2, 3, bring it back to reverse, go through the gears. Maybe drop a gear and disappear. Go back to neutral because you pull your motor. Go back, parking brake, see its current status. Transmission solenoids, clutch disconnect, manual front wheel drive. So for example, like that one, switch it on, goes on, there's a switch right here. Diff lock, same thing with this, my foot's pressing this pedal on and off. Torque converter temperature, output shaft speed, ground speed, quick shift switch, and then the backup alarm. See, it's just off. It's currently got no amperage, but if you were backing up, backup alarm going off, you can see if there's how much amperage is going through it. Next up we have hydraulics. I'm going to select that, see current state of our switches, select the flow switch, hydraulic filter switch, they're both off. You can go down to say pressures. Currently have a pump outlet pressure at 36 psi. Go to different values of data. Go like select flow, it's off. Motor auxiliaries. We got just those two. Now, state of the joysticks, all auxiliaries. So if I run this roller over, you can see change this value. Hooray. Go back. Pilot enable. Currently it's all off. Valve controls are all off. Ride controls off because the machine's off. Hydraulic pump patterns off. Damage select off. And then we already went through switches. Next up we have buttons. You can go through and press all our buttons. Shows you which one you're pressing, whether or not it senses the input, and that it's in, I guess, the correct location. You could use this to tell, although I don't think I've ever heard of machines having switch buttons to do all of it for you. We learned a valuable lesson here that it doesn't disable the touchpad even though none of the other buttons are changing when I push things. Good thing it's capable of starting. Next up we have Service Visor. So you can enter, see our cell signal strength, which I think is loading. Negative 105, which I believe is good, if I remember right. Registration state, it's currently a registered machine. JD Link, it's your latitude. It says positive 041.23, longitude negative 081.79. GPS antenna, it's good. Cellular antenna, it's currently US. Satellite modem, not good. No satellites. But that's because it's unregistered for satellite. Timestamp, current timestamp. And then we're back around this cell strength. So now we have sensors. So as you can see, we're in seat position, loader. Fuel gauge is at 96.8%, and then depth level is at 99.6%. We just back around.